everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to look at how we can scan digital channels onto our television. How then do we carry out such process? Your first step is you locate what you call source on your remote. Now when you press the source on your remote, you will see input sources. Now we have so many sources here. We have satellite, DTV, ATV, AV1, AV2 and so on. Now place that yellow button on DTV. After placing on the DTV, click on OK. Now you see an empty screen like this. Select menu on your remote. Now, after clicking on the menu, you will see an interface like this. Select auto tuning. Auto tuning. I hope you've seen auto tuning. We have ATV manual tuning, DTV manual tuning. Select the auto tuning. Now, after clicking on the auto tuning, you will see a pop-up like tune type, tuning type. Come to tune type, this place, tune type. On the arrow button on your remote, that's the right arrow. Press on it and then it will show up the DTV only. When you press the left button, it will show that you want to scan DTV and ATV. But when you press the left button or the right button again, it will show up only DTV. Now, having done that, click on enter to start scanning. Now I'm going to press the enter on my remote. Have you seen it? It is going to scan for some time before those television stations will pop up. The digital stations will show at where we have program. Have you seen it? 00 DTV 0 program, meaning that it has not gotten any digital station. But as it proceeds, it will get to a point that those channels will be popping up and then it will be indicated by numbers. You wait for some time.